Sleeperz Hotel, Newcastle upon Tyne. Pretty spacious room. Decent sized bed. There's only me staying, so there's plenty of room there. That's to next door. Telephone service there. Food and drinks. I'm not sure what's on there. Yep, usual kind of stuff. See what the view's like. Wow, that is the pinnacle. Yep, gorgeous. Couple of towels there, spare pillows, somewhere to hang your clothes, hair dryer which I don't need because I don't have any hair, as you can see. We've got the one soap dispenser in the shower unit. Good sized shower. Yeah, fine. Oh, there's a TV too. Thanks for watching. Bye.